Imagine a display shelf that's not just a shelf, but a living, evolving canvas for your most treasured possessions. A shelf that changes with your space, your style, and your story. What if you could build it yourself, shaping and reshaping it as your decor evolves, without tearing anything down or starting over? Welcome to Craft Catalog. Today we're unlocking the secrets to crafting modular wood display shelves. Versatile, reconfigurable units designed to showcase art, collectibles, plants, books, and keepsakes in a way that feels intentional, modern, and personal. No complicated joinery, no expensive materials, just smart design, simple cuts, and repeatable wooden modules that adapt as your life changes. Let's start with why most display shelves fail. Traditional shelves are static. You install them once, and that's it. When your collection grows, your layout feels wrong, or your room changes, those shelves suddenly feel limiting. Modular shelves solve that problem by design. Instead of one fixed structure, you build individual wooden units, boxes, frames, and platforms that can be stacked, rotated, expanded, or rearranged at any time. Think of them like building blocks for your wall. And here's the most surprising part. You don't need premium hardwoods or advanced woodworking skills to achieve a gallery-level look. What matters is proportion, repetition, and balance. Let's talk materials. For modular display shelves, plywood is one of the best choices. 1/2-inch or 3/4-inch plywood offers strength, clean edges, and stability. If you want a warmer, more organic feel, you can mix plywood with solid pine, spruce, or reclaimed boards. Reclaimed wood works especially well for display shelves because minor imperfections add character and depth. Old shelving, cabinet panels, or even pallet boards can be transformed into refined modules with careful cutting and sanding. The key is consistency. Even budget wood looks premium when all units share the same dimensions and finish. Now let's break down the core concept. A modular display system is built from repeatable units. The most common unit is the open box module, a simple rectangular wooden frame with no back. This becomes the foundation for displaying art pieces, framed photos, small sculptures, or ceramics. By building multiple identical box modules, you unlock endless layouts. Stack them vertically, arrange them in a grid, offset them asymmetrically for a modern gallery feel. Next is the horizontal shelf module. This is a longer, thinner unit designed for books, plants, or layered displays. When combined with box modules, it creates visual rhythm and contrast. Then there's the vertical column module, tall and narrow. These are perfect for vases, rolled artwork, or stacked objects. They also help anchor the composition, giving your display height and structure. Some builders also include platform modules, shallow shelves that act as stages for statement pieces. The beauty of modular design is that you don't need all of these. Even 2 or 3 module types can create dozens of configurations. Now, let's talk dimensions. Instead of designing everything from scratch, choose a base measurement. For example, a 12-inch depth and a 12-inch height. Every module becomes a multiple of that unit. This makes planning easier and ensures everything fits together naturally. Depth is especially important. Too deep, and shelves feel bulky. Too shallow, and they limit what you can display. For most art and keepsakes, a depth between 8 and 12 inches is ideal. Assembly is intentionally simple. Straight cuts, wood glue, screws, or brad nails. Pocket holes are optional, but helpful if you want hidden fasteners. But even basic butt joints are perfectly fine for display shelves, especially when modules support each other once stacked. What matters more than joinery is alignment. Take time to square your units. Clean edges and tight corners instantly elevate the final look. Now let's move to finishes because this is where modular shelves transform from DIY project to design feature. Natural finishes highlight the grain and warmth of wood. Clear matte sealers preserve a raw, modern aesthetic. Light stains add depth without overpowering the display items. Painted modules offer a different kind of flexibility. White and neutral tones feel gallery-like and minimal. Darker colors create drama and contrast. Some of the most striking modular displays mix finishes, natural wood units paired with painted ones, while keeping dimensions consistent. Edge treatment is another subtle upgrade. Rounded edges soften the look. Chamfered edges add precision. Even simple sanding makes a visible difference. Now let's talk about mounting and stability. Some modular shelves are freestanding. Others are wall-mounted. Many are a combination of both. Wall mounting can be done using simple cleats, brackets, or hidden French cleats. The advantage of French cleats is that modules can be lifted off and repositioned easily. Freestanding modules work well when stacked securely and anchored discreetly to the wall for safety. Always think in layers. Lower modules provide stability. Upper modules add visual interest. Now, let's talk about curation, because this is what truly sets modular display shelves apart. A great display isn't about filling every space. It's about balance. Mix tall and short objects. Leave negative space. Group items in odd numbers. Vary textures and materials. Wood shelves pair beautifully with ceramics, glass, metal, and plants. Let some objects breathe. Because the system is modular, you can refresh your display seasonally. Rotate art, swap collectibles, change the layout without rebuilding anything. This flexibility turns your shelf into an evolving story rather than a static fixture. Another powerful advantage of modular shelves is scalability. Start small, build a few units, expand over time. This makes the project approachable for beginners and budget-friendly for anyone. You're not committing to a massive build. You're creating a system that grows with you. From a woodworking perspective, this project is incredibly rewarding. It teaches precision. It encourages planning. It rewards repetition. And every new module improves your skills. For experienced woodworkers, modular shelves are a chance to experiment with proportions, finishes, and spatial design. For beginners, they're an ideal entry point into functional furniture making. Now let's talk about where these shelves truly shine. Living rooms become curated galleries. Home offices gain personality and order. Studios transform into inspiring creative spaces. Even hallways and entryways can become storytelling zones. And because the shelves are modular, they adapt to apartments, rentals, and changing layouts. If you move, they move with you. That's something built-in shelving can never offer. Before we wrap up, here's the mindset that makes this project successful. Don't think of shelves as storage. Think of them as frames for meaning. Every object you place on them represents a memory, a passion, or a moment. Modular design respects that by allowing change without destruction. If this idea sparks something in you, subscribe to Craft Catalog for more smart woodworking, modular design ideas, and projects that combine creativity with practicality. Because the best woodworking doesn't just fill space, it gives space purpose. And when your shelves can evolve as you do, your home becomes a reflection of your journey, not just a place to store things.